Today we're talking about the ATOTO P6 infotainment center. It's down right now in its natural habitat, which is a 2011 Acadia that predates infotainment centers or screens, and it's sleeping, but it is pretty close to its feeding time. So let's go down and see what's going on with it, wake it up, and walk through all of its features. Come on. There's the Acadia right there. Good girl, good girl. Let's watch along as it comes to life and proves its worth.
Oh, you know it gets feeling good. You simply got no choice.
It's born from the factory with the ability to seek out its mates, whether it's a iOS, iPhone, or an Android. It has the ability to search them out and link up with them inherently. It produces its sounds by communicating with the stereo that's already built into the vehicle. Using an FM transmitter, we're able to set the FM transmitter to a myriad of bandwidths or stations, depending on the interference from other signals in the wild. In this mode, we simply use our map on our phones and type in our addresses, and it takes us right there. We have a button here for YouTube Music in my case, or making phone calls. There are many options available to us. This is the stereo setting where we can go in and select several different frequencies depending on outside interference in a particular area. It's just as simple as changing the frequency and coming and matching it with the frequency on the built-in stereo. So I'm going to go ahead and lock that in. And now I have two presets saved and two presets saved, so I have flexibility if there's interference anywhere. The unit comes built in, able to see its surroundings. A micro memory card is needed, and if we want to see what it's seeing, we can just push the button here and we see out the front, or we see out the back. I think the front's a better view. It's recording and memorizing everything on a continuous loop. There's also a rear camera attachment available if you would like to see all the way through out the back of the vehicle. It syncs seamlessly in a matter of minutes. Setup is a matter of minutes, but its features don't stop there. If we'd like, we can sync this to our own Google accounts and access other features that a normal tablet would be able to access, such as Amazon, Netflix, your regular browser. It's all right there. And I found there's YouTube. And I found the best way to access these features is to go into the browser and set up your profile. I did it at my laptop using my home Wi-Fi and configure everything so it's all set to go rather than use a built-in app system or try to locate apps. For those features, I just used a browser and it works seamlessly. Also, using the map feature. Let's go back to that. I found that the best way to use the map feature is to choose a map option that I like. Sometimes I use Waze, sometimes I use Google Maps, and sometimes I use an app that syncs with a radar detecting device that I have. If those three maps are open simultaneously on my phone, they're competing for the attention of the ATOTO P6. So I want to make sure as many apps that I don't use and I don't need are closed as possible on my phone before I sync it to the Bluetooth, just to avoid any confusion in communications. I'm able to make phone calls hands-free using the device just as it comes straight out of the packaging. It just really could not be easier. The cord plugs into a cigarette lighter and comes with attachments to be able to organize the wire for a much cleaner look in your vehicle. In my particular case, I modified a GoPro attachment to the end of the bracket, which is substantial. It's metal, it's solid, and it's substantial. And so I just put a GoPro bracket on the end of it, and now I'm just using GoPro attachments as I normally would, and that way when I close this box, there's nothing to see, and this will eventually move into a different vehicle. A big thanks to Zoe with ATOTO and her team for sending this over for us to check out. If you'd like to pick one of these up, I'll put a link in the description and I'll pin a comment with the information that you'll need. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.